Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monia and you're watching Ride or Die with Monia. Today we are gonna be trying out this cute Nars Mini Laguna lip and cheek duo that just dropped on Sephora. These are just the travel sizes of the actual products. I mean, I have like so many bronzers that I didn't want to get like a new full-size bronzer and then like another lip gloss because I have a collection at this point. So I just wanted something small, travel friendly, cute. Check it out, see if it's good. If it's not good, worth the hype, not worth the hype, and go from there. So this in and of itself is $26 on Sephora's website. Travel size bronzer powder and oil infused lip tint in the award-winning shade Laguna. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open it up, apply it, and just let you know what I think. Don't drop that. Dun dun, hey! Okay, so this is the bronzer. I have already the rest of my face done, as you can tell. And it has a cute little mirror. Is there really much to say? Let's see if this is a good bronzer, if it is splotchy. How does it look? I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. It's very smooth and buttery to the touch. Here it is swatched on the hand. It has a very light touch of shimmer. It's nothing excessive. I think it's just to give you that touch of glowy, ethereal bronziness look. So there's that. But it is very smooth. It is not patchy. It applied very nicely. It literally just feels like butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my brush. I'm gonna touch a little bit on my hand and then I'm gonna go ahead and bronze myself up. A little bit does go a long way, as you can tell when I initially applied it. A lot of it was stuck here and it blended out very beautifully to the rest of my face. So that is great. There's no patchiness, no skipping. It really looks amazing on the skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of it on this side. Wow, this looks amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and put some highlighter on real quick, set my face, then we'll get to applying lip gloss just to see the look of it, the shade swatch on my hand, and then final thoughts. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lip gloss now that I've done my highlighter and set my face with setting spray. And I'm gonna apply the gloss swatch on my hand next to the bronzer just so you can see how it looks. Because I'm so bony on my hand, the streak is kind of wonky, so forgive me. But it's cute. It's like a very sheer with, again, that like touch of shimmer to it, and it is like more of a like brownish color. I'm gonna apply it on my lips and see how it looks. Just apply the gloss and it is super like it does not, it's definitely an oil, 1000%. It does not feel like clumpy. It doesn't feel like sticky or like a thicker consistency like a gloss would. It is very light, oily, like it just like glided so effortlessly on my lips. Gives you a very subtle sheer tint of like a nudish brown with some gold speckles in it. So it's cute, it's flattering. You know, for me, I'm very like quick, easy, don't like to like go all out on my makeup. I like to do more like just natural, like just things to like emphasize it. So I think this makes my lips look really good, cute and juicy. So my final thoughts, would I recommend this cute little travel pack duo? Absolutely. The full size, hell yeah, dude, this is great. The bronzer itself, I did like that it had a touch of shimmer to it because I do think it gives you like this nice glow that everyone is looking for in their skin. So it just accentuates that piece along with the bronze, the application of it. This shade was perfect for me. I'm considered more like light, maybe fair in the winter with cool undertones. So this does look very flattering on me. The application was beautiful. Even if you like have a heavy hand and put too much in one area, it is very easy to blend out. So I know sometimes products can stick and you kind of have to finesse it with a sponge or setting powder to kind of blend it out. You did not have to do that with this product at all. It was very easy to blend it out, and there was no patchiness, no skipping. Applying it on top of a liquid serum that I used and concealer, it didn't mess with that. And then applying highlighter over it did not move it at all. So it's great product in and of itself. I really liked it, honestly. I think it's super cute. I do like this travel size. If I didn't have so many bronzers that I have to go through, I definitely would have gotten the larger size. So if you're looking for a new bronzer, definitely check this one out. It is very beautiful. There's also no scent to it that I've noticed, so that's also promising for people that are a little bit more sensitive to that. But it's very smooth, buttery, creamy, but yet very light and easy to work with. So that's a plus. The gloss, it's cute. I'm here for it. Or oil. I think it's more of an oil. Definitely in the tube, it looks like it would give you more of like a darker copper gold look to it, but when you apply it, it's very light and sheer. My preference, I love it. I love this color. I think it makes your lips look very flattering and juicy, a little bit bigger than they probably are. But that's, I mean, if that's your look and that's what you're going for, I think you should totally check it out. It does feel really nice on the lips, very hydrating, easy to apply, no tackiness or stickiness. It just feels nice. Like I can't even tell that I have anything on my lips. Would I recommend these products? Hell yes. These are great products. These are super fun, cute for the summer. And since we're gonna be quarantined, we can be looking cute for ourselves in the mirror, or you know, whoever you're trying to show up and show out. Have you tried these products? Have you tried any other of their glosses or lip oils or bronzers? Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. If you're bored and you want to ask me some questions, or if there's any products you want me to review, definitely let me know. I would be more than happy to do that for you guys. Thanks guys for watching this channel, and until the next one, bye guys. Sips tea and it's unsweet. Can't control this drip. Hey, Salami, who gon' clean this shit? Salami. I saw my neck, I saw my wrist. Salami.